Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel YCS Sultanpur. My name is PANKAJ and I am here to discuss a very important topic of mathematics class 10th, which comes under the chapter 6 of triangle, that is basic proportionality theorem. Then what is basic proportionality theorem? Basic proportionality theorem states us about the triangle, that is, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersect the other two sides at the two distinct points, then the other two sides are divided into the same ratio. Okay. Now basic proportionality theorem, shortened as BPT, basic proportionality theorem, which is given by a mathematician Thales. Okay, this theorem states in a triangle ABC, if we draw a line parallel to one side, take this parallel line as DE. If this DE line is parallel to one side BC of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides AB and AC in two parts, that is AD and DB, AE and EC, and these two parts are in the same ratio. Condition is, if DE is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. This is the theorem which is BPT and given by the Thales. This theorem repeats several number of times in the board examination of class 10th, and if the theorem comes under the only 2 marks, is only statement, and the 4 marks are the long answer in the proofing. Let's prove this theorem using some area formulas. If we have a triangle ABC, let's draw a line DE. Parallel to BC. Okay. So given condition is DE parallel BC. What we have to prove? We have to prove AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. To prove this theorem, we have to do some construction works. So construction is, draw AD perpendicular. This is the perpendicular line DM and this is perpendicular line EN. Draw DM perpendicular this line AC and EN perpendicular AB. Okay, and join BE and CD. Okay, now let's start proofing. We know a formula, that is area of a triangle. Area of triangle is what? 1 by 2 base into perpendicular height. Area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 base into perpendicular height. That all we know in the previous classes. Now, area of triangle, first we have to find the area of triangle ADE, okay, and then we have to find what? Area of triangle BED and area of triangle CED. So, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle is what? 1 by 2, it is constant term. Base is, first time base is AD, and the perpendicular height to this base AD is EN. EN, take this as 1, okay. Now, again area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is again taken as 1 by 2, 1 upon 2, base is this time AE, base is what? AE, and the perpendicular height to this base is DM. This is number 2, okay. Now, we have to find what? Area of triangle BED and area of triangle CED, which are the two obtuse angle triangle in this figure. Area of triangle BED, which is 1 by 2, base is DB, okay, and the perpendicular height to this obtuse angle triangle. First we have take an example. If we have this obtuse angle triangle, then the perpendicular height to this base is this one, okay. Similarly, what we have, the triangle BED is an obtuse angle triangle, but the perpendicular height is EN. Perpendicular height is EN. This is considered as number 3. Now, area of triangle, this triangle CED is again 1 by 2. We take EC as base and perpendicular height is DM. This is number 4, okay. Area of triangle ADE is what? First time we take AD as a base and EN is a perpendicular height. In second equation, AE as a base and DM is a perpendicular height. In triangle BED, this obtuse angle triangle, we take DB as a base and the perpendicular height is EN. In triangle CED, we take EC as a base and DM as perpendicular height, okay. Now, what we have to do, just divide equation 1 by 3, equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. We get why we are dividing these terms? We are dividing this term because we want what? The ratios of these two sides. The ratios of these two sides, that is AD upon DB. For the ratios we have to divide the things, right? Divide 1 by 3, that is area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BED. Area of triangle BED, okay. This 1 by 2 term cancel out this 1 by 2 terms, EN cancel out EN, what we get resultant as AD upon DB. AD upon DB, this is number 5. And if we divide equation number 2 by equation 4, what we will get? Area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE E upon area of triangle CED equals to what? 1 by 2 cancel out this 1 by 2, dm cancel out dm, what we get as a resultant is AE upon EC. This is equation number 6. Okay, as we have studied in class 9th that if two triangles are on the same base and their vertex lie on the same parallel lines, that is, if we consider L1 and L2 as the two parallel lines, if we consider L1 and L2 as the two parallel lines and draw a triangle ABC, then again we draw another triangle DBC, another triangle what? DBC. These two triangles have the same base BC, but they are lying in between the two parallel lines L1 and L2. Then what? Then the area of triangle ABC, will be equals to area of triangle DBC. What I told, that is, if these two triangles lie on the same base BC and line in between the lines, parallel lines L1 and L2, then the area of these two triangles will be equal. Now, what we have seen here, that is, these two lines DE and BC are what? DE and BC are parallel, and these two triangles, triangle BED and triangle CED, these two triangles lie on the same base DE, and these two triangles lie in between the same parallel lines DE and BC. Then the areas of the two triangles BED and CED are equal. Okay. So from equation 5th and 6th, since area of triangle BED equals to area of triangle CED equal है, why? Because they line in between on the same base, DE, and in between same parallel lines DE and BC. They line in between the same parallel lines and the base is same. That's why the area of the two triangles are same. Again, consider from the 5th and 6th part. What we have? ADE and ADE, numerators are same. BED and CED, these two triangles are same using this theorem what we studied in class 9th. Therefore, the left hand side of equation 5 and equation 6 are equal. Therefore, right hand side will also be equal. Therefore, implies that AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. This is proved. Okay. So what we have the theorem, that is, if two lines are parallel in a triangle, then the parallel line divide the two sides in the same ratio, which was given by the Thales, that is basic proportionality theorem, and this theorem repeats several times in the examination under 2 marks and the long answer 4 marks to 5 marks. I hope you all understand some concept from this video. Thank you so much for watching me.